Baby race, go. Look at that control. Look at that lift. He should be in the baby Olympics.
Yay.
Who can hold their head up the longest? He can, of course.
Olympics for the 71 days babies, for 72 days babies.
That's
No
right.
different. Can't compare.
That's right.